What's the meaning of childishness? Childishness. Childishness.
Childishness. Childishness. Childishness refers to behavior that is immature, naive, or lacking in maturity. It can include actions such as throwing tantrums, being overly emotional, acting impulsively, and being easily distracted. In adults, childishness can manifest as a refusal to take responsibility for one's actions, a lack of accountability, and an inability to effectively communicate. Such behavior can result in strained relationships, social isolation, and an inability to navigate life's challenges successfully. Overall, childishness is a negative trait that should be avoided in order to achieve personal growth and success.